You got stuck. All right, push the button. All done? You don't want to drive it anymore for Daddy?
No.
You want to come inside and put clothes on?
Yeah.
Okay.
My Dado.
Yeah.
My Dado.
Was that fun driving your Dado?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, Mama.
Mama's not going out there. It's cold. The neighbors probably are wondering why you're naked. Okay, you gotta drive it this way. Push the button. Yeah. All done? All right, come inside. Let's put some clothes on, okay? Yeah.